Afternoon, guys. Busy day today. So I've just done a motorcycle recovery. Lovely bloke, absolutely lovely bloke. I was going to film it and then I was like, do you know what, this is just going to be really boring. Here's a picture. So yeah, picked that guy up, took him home. Nice guy. So I've had this call from this guy, right? He works on a solar farm. His truck is completely sank, right? He phoned me up and he was like, what's your price? But anyway, I priced the job up. I've got to take my truck all the way over there. Ronnie's gonna get dirty, innit? Like, no one wants dirty Ronnie. Dirty Harry, not dirty Ronnie. So I was like, oh, look, here's my price. Anyway, he phoned me back and he was like, mate, it's only gonna take you 2 seconds, mate. Any chance you could do it a bit cheaper? Like, well, I was like, no, not really. But I'll tell you what, mate, here's a number. Phone these guys. And I gave him the number for the big boys around here. He'll come and get you. Because I know his price will be 3 times mine. It's now pissing down with rain, innit? I'm soaking, I'm sweating. I know I've got my big rub jacket on, but I'm venting off. Because I'm about to head home, and do you know what? Been a busy day, I'm probably going to crack a beer. That's what you do, innit? I said, are you sorted? And he was like, no. So he's still sat in a field, mate. Well, you'd be out by now if you'd have just taken my price. Guess what's going to happen? When it gets dark, when he's cold, his battery's dead on his truck, he'll phone me again, won't he? I guarantee it. So that's why I'm filming this. I've had my camera with me all day and I've not used it once. I was like, do you know what? I know what's going to happen. It's going to be dark and I'm not going to be able to get any bloody footage of it. I'm not going to be able to film any of this because he's going to bloody phone me when it's dark. I know, I've been doing this job long enough to know what someone's doing. He's phoning everyone. He'll get quotes double, triple mine, and then he'll get most people will say, no, I'm not doing it. And then I'll end up going muggins here, and I'll then feel obliged to charge him the same price that I quoted him in the first place, when it wasn't dark and raining. Take the first quote, boys. If you're stupid enough to get that stuck, then be clever enough to pay the first guy who says, I'll come and get you now. Like, you'll be out. I could have gone for a pint with him. We could be sat having a pint. But we're not. We're not, are we? I'm sitting in a lay-by, waiting for him to call. I'm not even going to go home because I know he's going to call. I was kind of hoping that my phone was going to ring right at that point, and you'd have been like, he set that up. This is all acting. I know I'm a good actor, like world-class actor and all. But no, he didn't phone, did he? He didn't phone me. Anyway, I will keep you updated, see what happens. But yeah. If I give you a price, it's a good price, trust me. It says it in all my reviews. Great price, guys. Right, see you later, bye. Love you long time.